National statewide tornado siren test. They're over there. The one that's at my entrance is over there. I did not have time to get my bike since I have a flat tire. And I'm not walking that far. Hey Kevin. Tell Amy it's just a test. She's shutting the windows. Dang, they've been testing for 2 minutes, 6 seconds. Maybe it's a warning. There they go. Deactivation in process. Let's see if they do attack. Honestly, that was hilarious. Let's see if they do attack. If they do attack, that would be awesome. Gotta get this stupid sign in. I accidentally pulled it out. Silly me. I bet now they're gonna test the thunderbolts if they have any left. Almost Easter, yay! Oh, I'm gonna sign it off for now. And if they start doing the other sirens, I'll do it. In the meantime, I'm gonna sign off for now. There's the sun setting. Peace out, everybody.